Hi everyone, this is Inspire Beautiful. Have you ever felt something wasn't right but talked yourself out of it? You didn't want to overreact. You didn't want to seem unkind. You didn't want to appear dramatic. So you dismissed the feeling, and later you realized it was right. Many thoughtful people struggle with this. They override their intuition because they value harmony. They silence their inner signals to protect relationships. They confuse discernment with judgment. But intuition is not accusation, it is awareness. And discernment is simply intuition strengthened by wisdom. Your intuition rarely shouts, it whispers. It may show up as a pause, a subtle hesitation, a feeling of misalignment you can't immediately explain. You don't have all the facts yet, but something in you is registering data. Your mind collects information. Your body processes patterns. Your nervous system notices inconsistencies. Before you consciously articulate it, you sense it. This is not paranoia. This is perception. So why do we override it? Many emotionally intelligent people override intuition for three main reasons. They don't want to seem difficult. They were taught to doubt themselves, or they prioritize being liked over being aligned. So they rationalize. They're just stressed. I'm probably overthinking, or it's not a big deal. But repeated rationalization weakens self-trust. Every time you dismiss your inner knowing without reflection, you send yourself a message. My perception doesn't matter. And over time, that erodes confidence. Intuition versus anxiety. Now, this part is important. Intuition feels calm. Anxiety feels urgent. Intuition says, pause. Anxiety says, panic. Intuition is steady. Anxiety is loud. Discernment requires emotional regulation. If you are highly reactive, it becomes difficult to separate fear from wisdom. So before acting, ground yourself. Slow your breathing, step back, and remove urgency. Clarity rises in calm environments. Intuition senses. Discernment confirms. Anyone can say the right words. Discernment watches consistency over time. Do actions match promises? Does behavior remain steady under pressure? Do boundaries receive respect or resistance? Patterns reveal truth. Discernment doesn't rush to conclusions. It gathers evidence quietly. And when evidence accumulates, it adjusts access accordingly. You are allowed to adjust access. Trusting your intuition does not require confrontation. It often requires adjustment. Less availability, more observation, stronger boundaries, and slower trust. Sometimes wisdom is simply reducing exposure. That isn't coldness, it's maturity. So, what's the cost of ignoring it? When you repeatedly override intuition, you often experience resentment, burnout, confusion, and self-doubt. Because deep down, you sensed something early and ignored it. Your intuition is protective. It is designed to guard your peace. Listening to it early prevents chaos later. Trust is built through small decisions. You don't rebuild intuitive trust overnight. You rebuild it by honoring small signals. If something feels misaligned, pause. If something crosses a line, address it calmly. And if an opportunity feels wrong, decline it. Each time you honor your perception, you strengthen self-trust. And self-trust is the foundation of calm confidence. Discernment says, I trust myself enough to pay attention. It doesn't label people as villains. It doesn't assume the worst. And it doesn't operate from fear. It simply observes and chooses wisely. You can be kind and discerning. You can be compassionate and clear. You can give grace and still protect your peace. Trusting your intuition does not make you hardened. It makes you aligned. And alignment creates a life that feels steady, not chaotic. If you are learning to trust yourself again, stay here. This space is for thoughtful strength. Inspire beautiful. Take care, everyone. Thanks for being here.